Hello guys, back to my channel Sunday Tutor. In this video, I am going to clear and unlock your doubts on the topic seed structure and germination for class 9th ICSE board. So let's see the concept board. Now let's get started. A ripened ovule will turn out as a seed. A ripened ovary will turn out as a fruit. So now this is the fruit and this is the seed. So the wall which protects the fruit is called fruit wall and the coat which protects the seed is called seed coat. So seed coat consists of testa and tegmen. Types of seeds. We can differentiate it in three types. Number 1, cotyledon. There are two types of cotyledons, monocot and dicot. So monocot example is maize, whereas dicot example is bean. In the case of bean, if you see it in detail, you can find a line in the middle. If you press it, it will divide it into two. So there are two cotyledons which we can call as dicot. But whereas main, there will be no line to divide it into two. So it's a monocot. So the second way is to differentiate the size. There are three types: small, quite large and large. Small example is poppy. Quite large example is mango seed. Large example is coconut. In coconut there is no separate seed. Coconut itself is a seed, so it is considered as large. So the third one is endosperm. Endosperm is present and endosperm is absent. If endosperm is present, albuminous seed. If endosperm is absent, you will call it as ex-albuminous seed. Endosperm is present, the cotyledon is thin. If endosperm is absent, the cotyledon is thick. Now let's draw the external structure of a bean seed. Draw it with me. First make a shape like this. And at this concave side, keep a small opening and draw a tube or pipe-like structure. Now let's label it. As the protective coat for the seed is testa, and the small whitish opening is hilum, and this tube is called as micropyle. Now let's go and learn them in detail. So the seed protected by testa and the small whitish opening on the concave side is called hilum, and water and gaseous will be exchanged in and out of the seed by the help of micropyle, which is located inside the hilum. So these were the three parts of the seed. Now let's draw the internal structure in detail of a bean seed. As bean seed is a dicot, you will need to draw two cotyledons. Please draw it with me. Now there will be two protective coats. One is testa and the other one is tegmen. So draw both of them like this. Now at this upper part, draw two leaf-like structures with a small stem. And at the lower part, draw a root-like structure. Now let's go label it. So this stem-like structure is called epicotyle and the two leaves-like structure called as plumule. Epicotyle is the distance between two cotyledons and the plumule. So these two protective layers are testa and tegmen. Here, this root-like structure is called as radicle, which will become a root, and the stem-like structure is called hypocotyl, which is distance between cotyledons and radicle is called as hypocotyl. And dicot is and this bean seed is a dicot, so two cotyledons. Now answer these questions and tell me in the comment section. If you answer them right, you are going to get a heart from me and a shout out in my next video. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you have unlocked and clear your doubts on this session. So this is just part 1. In part 2, you're going to learn the maize seed internal structure and about germination. Hope you guys like this video. So I have provided notes after this session. Bye. So this is the notes in detail. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.